Okay, I think Miss Alstrom is going to make the last video of the quarter. Ta-da! Okay, so number 37 from the study guide. It's a sideways parabola, and it needs to be in the form of x minus h equals a k minus, oh no, what? Y minus k squared. Uh-oh, a is not where it's supposed to be. It's over here. So how do I do that? How do I move it to the other side? Well, you can move it to the other side. Well, you can think that there's no a here. So I need to just simplify that to 1. How do I make that 1? I'm going to erase the number. I can multiply this by -2, and that means that I have to multiply this by -2. So that simplifies to 1, right? So x minus 5 equals -2 y minus 1 squared. There we go. We eliminated that a from the left side. Now we moved it to the right side, and it's where it should be. Guys, if you take that a and keep it -1/2, that's wrong. Okay, you have to move it to where it's supposed to be in order to get the a. It's not a. Okay, it's a 1/a. Okay, and so you need to move it to the other side. Okay, now we've identified. Now it looks exactly like this form right here. Okay, now a equals -2, so it opens left. So it opens like that. The vertex is 5, 1. So here's 5, 1. Now, the axis of symmetry is going to be a horizontal line. So y equals, and what is the y value? 1. Now, let's look at the focus. Let's look at the focus. The focus is h plus 1/4a, comma k. And h is 5 plus 1/4 times -2, 1. So we have 5 minus 1/8, 1. So we have 5. No, I'm not going to write it down there. So we have 4 and 7/8, 1. Or it's 39/8, 1. That's our focus. Now the focus is going to be somewhere right here. Okay, now how about the directrix? How about the directrix, guys? Okay, so the directrix is a line that's going to be here. That's a vertical line. So x equals h minus 1/4a. X equals, what's h? 5 minus 1/4 times -2. X equals 5 plus 1/8. So x equals 5 and 1/8, or x equals an improper fraction. That would be 41/8. There you go. We have the answer for that. We have the answer for the focus, and we have the 3 answers that I wanted. Good job. Good job, guys. It was a difficult quarter, but we made it through. Just remember, you have 4 days of testing, and then it'll all be done. And Friday, you'll be nicely sleeping in while Miss Alstrom gets up at probably 5 again to start grading your research papers. So, hey. Okay, good job, guys.